Hello and welcome to my first Coding Corner video. I will be covering a simple HTML assignment. So first, before any coding, you're going to need Notepad or another text editor. I'll be using Notepad. It's included in Windows and you don't need to buy or download anything else. So we're going to dissect this code right here, and this is the output it gives us. So the first thing in any HTML code you're going to need is this line right here. And you're going to need the greater than and less than signs. That's prevalent later. So you need to tell the computer that this is an HTML file. And then in the bottom, you need to put slash HTML. This little slash here is like a wall. Lets the computer know to stop running that type of code. So the first thing you need is a heading. And this is this little spot right up here. So you can see I said head. I put my title, and then I put the style sheet and other things I need to import for stuff down here. And then I stopped it. This lets the computer know that I'm done with the header and we're editing something else. So next we're going to do body style. And basically all this does is just tell the computer what fonts and colors and stuff, anything like that we're going to use. So we're going to do a background color of blue, which you can see. Next we're going to say the title. So this right here, H1, is a type of heading. And if we go down here, this is the paragraph. So we just put in my heading Adam's webpage right here. Then we go to our paragraph. Now the paragraph is a little tricky because in this assignment we were told to use bold, italics, and underline. So here we type and then we do my major is, and then we had to bold the major. So then what we do is we enter a new line and then we say, okay, start bolding anything after this, computer science, and end at this. And then we don't want the period to be bolded, so we put it in the next line and keep typing. So I always enjoy learning about technology, blah blah blah. Especially, same thing, start italicize and italicize. When it comes to computers, my favorite book is, and then underline The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, stop, by C.S. Lewis. And then we end our paragraph formatting. So then we're going to put in a second header, and you can see it makes it bigger than this font here. And then we end. Now, OL is the numbered list, and UL is the bulleted. Don't know where O and U came from, but that's what that means. So then LI is list, and this is like saying in the first entry of the list, put this. So this one we had to do, we're talking about this, we had to put 3 movies and link the IMDb file. So what you do is you put the reference link there, and that lets it know the when it's reading to underline it and make it a hyperlink. And then after that, you put what you wanted to say, like the text. Simple enough. And then we stop this list after 3 entries in the next one. So this one we had to do 3 bullets with different colors, and we had to make the colors what they said. So we did font color and then white, and then we had to write what it is. We did this 3 times. Simple enough. Next, we had to put in an image of somewhere we would like to visit. So I said the Vatican. And we had to put the image and then write a little sentence or two about it. So with this img src equals, that's image source. So if we want to link into a website and borrow an image, that's what we do. Now my image was huge. It was like 1920 by 1080. So what I had to do in the back is put a height equals and then width, and these are in pixels. So what I did is I set it to a still 16 by 9 ratio, but it's 854 by 480 just so it didn't make the web page huge. Then we were told to insert a page break, which is this right here. and this doesn't really need the ending because it's just a simple page break, it's just a line. Then we insert a table. So that's what this code right here is. So then we're going to say table body, start here, and then table row, and then we were told to put in um, the musician, album, and year. Um, and then we ended that row and started a new one. And then you put in your 3 entries, finish the last row, finish the body, and then we finish the table, and then the body up here, wherever it was, and then finally the HTML. And that is what outputs this. And that was the assignment that I was given. I got 100 on it. Wasn't hard, a little tricky, but hopefully next video we will go through and make a more complicated. If not, we will do this from scratch. Thanks for watching.